So hey guys, welcome, it's Jenna G, that's me, the Java from TNT, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not going to be in the kitchen today actually, I am by my parents with my sister who's the camera woman right now, my brother-in-law and my grandmother. So daddy's actually in the kitchen today and he's going to be making his version of a chicken pilau. It's a little different from what we know, but it's his version, and I keep saying that's one of the great things about cooking, you know, everybody has their own version to the same exact dish here in Trinidad. So let's check it out. Alright, so first he's going to start with the coconut. Now this is a real way, old school way to get a coconut milk that not many people use or do anymore. But this is real old school style here. Now please excuse the pressure cooker in the background. That's mommy making curry goat.
It's a skill. So, this is the inside of the coconut. Which is the coconut. The shell of the coconut.
Here you go, so clean moist.
Yes, it takes some skill.
So what are you going to do with this coconut?
We are actually going to blend it, the easier way of doing it.
In the food processor.
In the food processor. And then we're going to milk it.
So now he's going to blend up all the coconut pieces to get his coconut milk that he's going to be adding.
Oh, this is what you need. You see that?
That's things we don't really do again. We just buy coconut milk from the can and...
So this is real stuff.
Alright, so now it's on to the chicken. Mommy already seasoned it with some green seasoning. So daddy's just going to add some extra stuff with his Worcestershire sauce. He's going to add some of that. That's a funny name. I hope I said it correct. I can never get it pronounced properly. Sorry about that, guys. Next, he's going to add some mustard. Now, guys, I love to add mustard in their stews, especially. Like, husband is the exact same way. Stew is mustard. Mustard is stew. Then he's adding some, he's adding some vinegar to it as well. So a little bit of vinegar. He said, you know, you just need to throw in there as well. And get this part, he's adding some orange juice to it also. Now, I don't know if anybody ever added orange juice to the stew or the chicken pilau. It was a little different because I don't think I've ever done that before. But, you know, it was smelling good. It was looking good. Now he's using his 2 spoons that he says is a special skill, special technique you need to learn while you're in the kitchen to help mix instead of using 1 spoon. So you're just going to mix that up all together and he's just going to set it aside, and we're going to continue with putting together our chicken pilau daddy, or as I call him, Pops style.
Ladies like the way men cook because they always add something different to their cooking. So I love to experiment when I'm cooking, so I use whatever is available.
So we're using dry pigeon peas, some chopped up carrots, and you have his chicken in cling wrap here, all seasoned up. Actually going to start cooking and putting together everything. So you know that he didn't add any oil.
No oil, we don't cook with oil. We are browning, we are making our own browning here.
Alright, so you see how the sugar starting to look.
You need to get it really brown and nice in order to get a golden color. Right. Alright, so you need to hold up a little bit for me. Let me do this without getting burned, right?
So what we doing next? Just have to
we're gonna let this cook down a bit.
And then we're gonna add the rice, the peas, carrots. Alright, so add it in, and now we adding in
1 stick of spice only, so that you don't get, right?
So there's 1 whole spice stick there added to it. So now we're just going to cover it let it cook down. Alright, so now, I don't know, I forgot to check how long it was, but now we add in some rice. How long now would have been? About
15 minutes.
10-15 minutes. The rice going in.
And next is coconut milk. Wow.
Adding in the coconut milk.
Hi, just in time. Could you come take me on set? We on set?
They put in the carrots and the peas too?
That is it.
Okay. So you're going to let this cook down uncovered or covered?
Uncovered.
Uncovered. And you're just going to let it cook down.
And this is just to give you an idea how what color you're going to be getting in your stuff. So this, the golden ring comes in now.
Now this part optional because I know a lot of people, you know, to the health stuff, but golden pilau without golden ring is not a pilau.
It is not, trust me. And this is where the ketchup comes in.
You can add some ketchup at this point.
Because of the color that we already have, and I put tomato, I'm going to just be putting 1 spoon of ketchup.
So the ketchup goes in now.
And soy sauce, I normally use soy sauce. In this case, I'm just going to put about 3 drops of soy sauce because of the fact that we already have the color that we're looking for. So just to add a little more flavor.
Soy sauce in there now.
Right, great.
So just let that cook down, and then we're going to add
I'm going to add the carrots now.
And you want the peas too?
No, peas goes in there.
And
It's easy.
so while the pilau, water cooking now,
So by the time you finish, you're ready to eat.
stop washing always.
No delay.
I don't really do this all the time though. So I don't like to wash always, but this is how you're supposed to do it.
Yes.
Clean as they go along.
Multitasking for me.
So it's like 25 minutes. Yeah. And yeah, it's almost finished. We just had to add the thing now.
Yep.
Looking good. Liking the color. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching, and I hope you liked Daddy's version of Pelau. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, share with all your friends and your family. Sister dishing out some food here. That's me for you. She's being selfish. Alright, so this is what final product Daddy chicken pilau looking like. Mommy made some curry goats. We have some potato salad, some chicken, some cucumbers and tomato. That is in boss.